Hello and welcome to another episode of Maths Tutorials brought to you by Perfect Maths South Africa in partnership with Multifields Tutorials. I am Pat Mhluli and I'm here to make your maths learning very practical and fun. In this episode, we are going to be discussing a very important topic that pilots, construction workers, detectives, and many other professionals can never run away from. And that is the topic of trigonometry, which is the study of the relationship between lines, lengths, distances with angles, and they come together to form triangles. So we are actually going to start with a view of some of the practical problems that we can solve using trigonometry before getting into the theory behind it. In this example, we have Unokolo over here, who is certainly a pilot, and she is trying to land her plane at the airport over there. Now, modern planes are equipped with instruments, which are actually devices that calculate and tell a pilot the exact plane's altitude, which is the perpendicular height above ground level. And also they have GPS systems that can calculate the distance from the plane's position to the airport. Now, using trigonometric ratios and trigonometric concepts, we will see that Unokolo can be able to calculate what we call the angle of descent, which is the exact angle that the plane must lower at such that it lands at this what we call the safe landing point, so that it's not too soon nor too late, which would cause an accident, and also such that the plane will move in a straight line, because if it goes up and down, the passengers inside the plane will feel dizzy and sick, which might get Unokolo fired. So therefore, we will see how she can use trigonometry to easily do the calculation so that everything is smooth.